Hey guys, how is everybody doing? Alright, so it's another driving video. We're right here in the RITE town area, our RITE town center, right outside of Radius Road, also Avondale as well. So let's start the drive. So again, I'm Rush, for those who don't know, and you're on the Raymore Reviews channel. If you're new to the channel, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe, so please subscribe and join the Raymore Reviews family. Remember to leave a like and a comment. That helps YouTube to recommend the video to persons that have never been on the channel before. So every like goes a far way. That's still supporting. Every comment goes a far way as well. And ensure you share the video to a friend, to a family, so they can see what's happening in Jamaica. So today is a drive from RITE / Radius Road to Boulevard basically. So stay tuned, enjoy the ride, leave your comment, get some chips, and let's go. We're just about passing Price Mart. This is the only one in Jamaica right now. Always busy, always full. Plans are to make a second Price Mart over by Portmore. I don't think work had started as yet, but they have located the area. And I know most of you guys watching, once you're in Jamaica, you would have visited Price Mart at least once before. Membership shopping, you get a lot of stuff in bulk and at reasonable cost as well. Alright, so let's continue on Radius Road. We have Valentine's Garden on the right, and then we have a school right here on the left, which is St. Richard's Primary. So we're passing 100 lane on the left. We just passed Park Lane as well. Always have to be super sharp on the road, guys. Whether you give way or you don't give way, you're gonna have people wanting to take way. You have to always be alert on the road. Just past Reduce Road Mall and St. Andrew Plaza. So we also have a hardware here on Reduce Road, Melai Distributors hardware. And then in front of me is Lee's Food Fair, a popular supermarket on Reduce Road. We have a Burger King on the right. Early on we passed a KFC, we passed a Popeyes, we passed a Domino, a Little Caesars. What else? Yeah, so a lot of different restaurant options are on Reduce Road. Alright guys, so we're now off Reduce Road, so we're heading in the direction of DUNROBIN, not too far from Macaw, you know, a very popular restaurant this side. Any of you guys that ever been to Macaw, just let me know in the comment section. If you've ever been to Macaw, let me know. So Lindsay Crescent on the left, and we're heading out to DUNROBIN. And again guys, don't be afraid, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about the video, think about the area. Guys, so we have Merle Grove High School on the right, and then now we're at the major stoplight with Constant Spring Road and DUNROBIN Avenue. So very major stoplight here. So we're gonna take the right onto Constant Spring Road. Alright guys, so now we're on Constant Spring Road, heading into Alpha Tree. So we have West Kings House Road on the left. That brings you to Waterloo Road. Places like there. Alright guys, so that's about it. Just gonna end the video right here on North Avenue. Definitely leave a comment guys. Remember to like, comment, share. And again, this was a quick drive from Price Right, you know, basically Reduce Road to DUNROBIN Boulevard. Then we had Constant Spring Road. So leave your comments. Hope you enjoy the drive. I haven't been doing a lot of driving video recently, so just trying to get you guys, you know, some more driving videos. Thanks for watching as usual. Thanks for supporting, and I'll see you on another video.